Welcome in a quick review on Constance. So what you can actually expect from the game. So the pros, extremely fluid, smooth, satisfying movement. You're gonna have like dash, climb, dive, pierce with a great flow, so it's like very good. Milkshake challenges and optional platform room are fun and creative. Great art and animation, sound and atmosphere, and the whole kind of the energy of the game is like very good. Also, the snapshot map makers make exploration easier, charm-like system. Also, bosses often incorporate travels mechanics in fun ways and great performance on the PC. And there is like good story and themes, so it's like it's a very made game. So length and scope. Now when we're gonna go further, it's short for Metroidvania. Many finished in like 5-7 hours. Some players expected a much larger world. Map lacks detail and exact player position, hard to track missing collectibles, backtraining can feel tedious and unclear, and exploration sometimes feel unrewarding. So then when we go further, the gameplay friction, precise platforming occasionally feels trial and error, and some players found the narrative simple and underdeveloped, and NPC dialogue can feel bland or static, and interactive cutscenes sometimes interrupt game flow. So this is something that you can actually get. And the last thing is that the boss patterns are often scripted and repetitive, and long invulnerability phases slow the pacing, and some players found also bosses easy and others found them like tedious. So this is something that you can actually expect. Thank you very much and have a great day.